Hi, I'll be showing problem number 1 and 2 on practice exam 2 on chapter 4 and 5. Problem number 1. Simplify negative 2v cube over w to the power of 5. Every expression on the numerator and every expression in the denominator should be raised to the power of 5. So negative 2 to the power 5. Make sure to put the parentheses for negative 2. V cube to the power of 5 divided by w to the power of 5. Negative 2 to the power of 5 is negative 2 multiplied by itself 5 times. So it is negative 32. V cube to the power 5. So you need to multiply the 3 with the 5. So you get v to the power of 15 divided by w to the power 5. Problem number 2. Simplify 4m to the power negative 4, n to the power negative 1, the whole squared, m to the power negative 3, n to the power negative 5, the whole thing to the power negative 3. Every expression on the numerator must be raised to the power 2 and every expression on the denominator must be raised to the power negative 3. So it is 4 to the power 2, m to the negative 4 to the power 2, n to the power negative 1 to the power 2 divided by m to the power negative 3 to the power 3, n to the power negative 5 to the power negative 3. 4 square, 4 times 4, which is 16. M to the power negative 4 to the power 2, you have to multiply the exponents, which is m to the power negative 8. Same way, n to the power, you need to multiply the negative 1 with the 2. So that will be to the power negative 2 divided by m to the power negative 3 times negative 3, that will be a positive 9. N to the power negative 5 times negative 3, that will be a positive 15. Now you have to make all the exponents to be positive. So you have to move around the m to the power negative 8 and bring it down to the denominator. Same way, n to the power negative 2 on the numerator should be brought down to the denominator. So you don't want to leave any expression with the negative exponents. So it is 16 on top. Then m to the power negative 8 comes down and becomes m to the power 9 times m to the power 8. Then you need to bring in the negative n to the power negative 2 down. So n to the power 15 times n to the power 2. So now it is 16 over m to the power. You need to add the exponents of the same base, 9 plus 8. Same way, you have to add the exponents of n, which is 15 plus 2. So it is 16 divided by m to the power of 17, n to the power of 17. Hope this video helps.